कोई है। Good morning to all. My name is Zinat Kondal and I am the student of 9th standard from Government Senior Secondary School Malikpur. Today, on this golden day, I am here to share my views about the shining hero of our Indian history, that is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Do not think of enemy as weak. Do not think enemy as weak, but also do not overestimate their strength. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was well-known Maratha Empire and especially very popular in North India. He was born on 19th of February 1830 AD in Shivneri, which is present in Pune district in Maharashtra, India. His father name was Shahaji Bhonsle and his mother name was Jejabai. He lived at Bhonsle. The government of Maharashtra declares on 19th of February as a holiday for celebrating his birthday. Shivaji was the founder of Maratha Empire and the first king of Maratha Empire. He expanded his empire from north to south, and he also fought with Mughals, and he used guerrilla strategy to win the fight. And he also inspired from Mahabharata and Ramayana. In the childhood, he used to listen the Mahabharata and Ramayana from his grandmother. He was also the founder of Indian Navy. He was the great freedom fighter and brave. At the age of 50 years old, he died on April 3rd, 1880 AD at the age of 50 years.
1680. He died at the
age of 60 years. Due to the complications of dysentery at the Arigad Fort in Maharashtra. And at the end of, I just want to say that his life taught us how he sacrificed his life for the freedom. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A small step on a small goal later on achieves a bigger goal.
When the goal is to win, no matter what the cost, achieve it, it has to be paid.
Never bend your head, always hold it high. जिस हिंदू का खून न खोले, खून नहीं वो पानी है, भारत माँ के कोई काम न आए वो बेकार जवानी है।
दुश्मनों से भी कुछ सीखा जा सकता है।
शिवाजी महाराज की कुंडली में ही छुपा है उनकी सफलता का राज।
Just believe yourself, no one can stop you.
शत्रु को कमजोर और ना ही बलवान देखना चाहिए, जो वो आपके साथ करता है वो ही करना चाहिए। कभी अपना सर मत झुकाओ, हमेशा उसे ऊंचा रखो।
हम शेर हैं, शेरों की तरह हंसते हैं। हम शेर हैं, शेरों की तरह हंसते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे दिलों में छत्रपति शिवाजी बसते हैं।
One small step to reach a small milestone, it helps you later to achieve a bigger goal.
स्वतंत्रता एक वरदान है, जिसे पाने का अधिकारी हर कोई है।
दुश्मन को कमजोर मत समझो, लेकिन अपनी शक्ति का आकलन भी मत करो।
लक्ष्य जितना कठिन हो, संघर्ष उतना ही बड़ा होना चाहिए।
जिस हिंदू का खून न खोले, खून नहीं वो पानी है, भारत माँ के काम न।
अगर हौसले बुलंद हो तो एक पहाड़ भी मिट्टी के ढेर समान लगता है।
Justice, discipline and loyalty are the pillars of the strong nation.
सावन परफ पर अनमोल विचार जो करता है प्रगति का श्रृंगार।
एक छोटा कदम छोटे लक्ष्य पर बाद में एक विशाल कदम हासिल कर लेता है।
Freedom is a boon which everyone has right to receive. Never bend your head, always hold it high. A man can learn from his enemy and his strength.
A king is not made, he is born.
सोचता एक वरदान है जिसे पाने के लिए हर कोई
कभी भी अपना सिर मत झुकाओ, उसे हमेशा ऊंचा रखो।
नारी के सभी अधिकारों में से सबसे महान अधिकार माँ बनने का है।
जब हौसले बुलंद हो तो एक पहाड़ भी मिट्टी के ढेर के समान लगता है।
Self-confidence provides strength and power. A man is a great by deed, not by birth.
राजा पैदा नहीं होता, राजा बनाया जाता है।
कभी भी अपना सर मत झुकाओ, हमेशा उसे ऊंचा रखो।
Never bow your head, keep it high.
No need to be learned from own fault, we can learn from other mistakes.